Hey everyone, came across this deal at the BJ's Wholesale Club. They currently have the Mobil 1 full synthetic motor oil 6-quart case for $33.49. That's $10 less than Sam's and Costco. They have a variety of weights. They have 5W20, 0W20, 5W30. They have a European carb blend. And this particular store had these on the end cap, but there were additional options in the aisle. So I would get to your local BJ's Wholesale Club and grab this before the price goes back up. All right, till next time. Bye-bye.